Okay, good morning, Group 2. It is a Tuesday morning and we are going over more with maths, which is weighing. So what we're going to do is just go over a few things first. So with weight, 1,000 grams, so grams are very slight. So we could like measure a feather in grams. It'd probably be around about 10 grams. So 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. They are equivalent. They are the same. So if 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram, 2,000 grams would be what? Would be 2 kilograms. So if you look there, 2,000 and 2. And 3,000 grams equals how many kilograms? 3. So to get 3,000 to 3, we've just made 3,000 1,000 times smaller. So what we've done there is 3,000 divided by 3. Sorry, not divided by 3. What am I talking about? Divided by 1,000. Because the 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram. So 3,000 divided by 1,000. So that's how many thousands are in 3,000 will be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. So it'd be 3. And that's how we can convert from grams to kilograms. So 4,000 grams would be how many kilograms? 4. 5,000 grams would be 5 kilograms. And so on. Now, what would half 1,000 be? What would half of 1 be? So half of 1 would be a half. Or we could write that as 0.5. Same thing. So what would half 1,000 be? Well, I know half of 10 is 5. And then I could put my 2 zeros on and make that 100 times bigger. So half 1,000 is 500. So 500 grams is the same as half a kilogram, or 0.5 kilograms. And that's just some basic conversions, just to help you understand the difference between grams, they're the very light ones, and kilograms, which are a lot heavier. So we are going to do some word problems today, and we'll be doing some multiplication and division mass word problems involving grams and kilograms. Remember, kilo stands for 1,000. Okay, so I've got a bit of a calculation here. I've got 3 tins of paint that are 5 kilograms each. So if I wanted to find the total, what's the total of the tins of paint? It'd be 3 multiply 5 kilograms, or 3 times 5. And using our 5s, 5, 10, 15. So that'll be 15 kilograms. Okay, this time I have got 4 parcels, and each parcel is 6 kilograms in weight. So what would be my calculation? So it'll be 6 times, that's the wrong way around, isn't it? Or was it? No, that was right, wasn't it? So sorry, 4 times 6 kilograms. Okay, so you think, how could you do that? 4 times 6. So you could do your 6 times tables, counting in your 6s, or you could count up in your 4s. Another way you could do it is, well, you could use your knowledge of your twos. So you could say half of 4 is 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. And we know 2 times 6 equals 12. So we're using our knowledge of doubling. So partition 4 into 2 and a 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 and 12 is 24. Or by just doing our times tables. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Or we could do our 6 times tables. Because multiplication, we can do it any way round. 6, 12, add 6 is 18, add another 6 is 24. Okay, so there's some multiplication questions. Let's have a go at some division. Okay, so this time I've got 18 kilograms of, that's supposed to be a potato, okay, a purple potato. So I've got 18 kilograms of potatoes and I need to share them between 3 boxes. So what would my calculation be? So it'd be 18 shared divided means the same between 3. So 18 divided by 3. And again, we could share those out, couldn't we? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we close the gate to make a 5. 16, 17, 18. So it's 6 kilograms each. Another way we could do it is by just counting forward in our 3s. Because you're asking how many 3s are in 18. So using your 3 times tables, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a couple of different ways to do that. Have a go. Okay, and there's another question. So 35 kilograms divided by 5. So okay, you could go for something similar. We've got 35 kilograms of potatoes, melons, whatever, divided by 5, going into 5 boxes. So all it's asking is, how many 5s are in 35? So you could count forward in your 5 times tables. So what would that be? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It would be what? 7. Okay, so just some methods there for division and multiplication, and I will now show you some of the worksheets. Okay, so question 1. There are 10 paper clips. Each paper clip weighs 8 grams. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. What is the total mass, how much it weighs, of the paper clips? So we're not adding, are we? We're not dividing. Well, you could add for this, because multiplication you can add if you wanted to, but you'd be there for ages. But you're multiplying 10 times 8. Okay. And the next one. 10 kilograms of sugar is used to bake 5 similar cakes. How much sugar is used to bake 1 cake? So 10 kilograms to make 5 cakes. But how much sugar is to bake 1 cake? So we need to make a 10 5 times smaller. So it'd be 10 divided by 5 is what? Okay, number 3. A cook roasts 10 chickens. Each chicken weighs 2 kilograms. What is the total mass of the chickens? So again, it's good to draw these out. You could draw 10 chickens. But we know each chicken is worth 2 kilograms. So how can we find the total for 10 chickens? Next one. The mass of 2 identical briefcases is 12 kilograms. So 2 cases is 12 kilograms. But what is the mass of each briefcase? So for 2 of them, it's 12, but we need to know what it is for 1 briefcase. And the next question, 8 identical beads weigh 40 grams. So all of the beads weigh 40 grams, but what is the mass of each bead? So we need to know what it is for 1. So 8 beads equals 40 grams. So how many 8s are in 40? And there's a couple of more questions there, but again, I'm going to let you have a go at that. Okay, guys, good luck.